Hey, welcome everybody. Today's FSG tutorial is going to focus on supplier evaluations. So FDA has a supplier dashboard. I'm going to take you there. So I'm just going to type in FDA dashboard, and here it is. Okay, I'll move myself here and make myself a little smaller. Okay, so you can search by the firm name or by the establishment number. So gonna just Kellogg's is the best, is a big company. I'll just look at one random. Let's see. Okay, we get a ton of search results here. I'm just going to pick one at random, not picking on anybody. We'll look at Kellogg Company, their FEI number here. Remember, the Kellogg Company has a lot of different facilities, so we're just going to look at one. And here we can see, gosh, way back in 2017, looks like they had inspection. They had another inspection over here in 2019. If I scroll down, I can see, wow, they're performing really well. They have no actions indicated during these inspections. And you can see here let's see if I put this on. Right here it says biological hazards. So both of these inspections, they're looking specifically at biological hazards and no actions were indicated. So let's keep scrolling down. Ordinarily, if we saw some inspection citations, they'd be streaming here. I could give you an example of that, but I don't want to do that on LinkedIn and make a company feel uncomfortable. You can certainly look up a few if you'd like on your own. Maybe start with a warning letter. So look up a warning letter on FDA's website. Just an example, FDA warning letter. And then you can pick one at random and then type in the name of that company, and you'll find some more sort of, information that will populate here. So there may be recalls. You'll see compliance action details, and down below, if it's a foreign facility, you'll see some import refusal information. So yeah, not too much dirty information here. Kellogg looks like they're doing a great job. But this is just one way you can go ahead and start your evaluation of suppliers. You don't necessarily need to start by asking for records and documentation. That's certainly an important step, but this can at least provide you with some context going into the supplier evaluation. Hope you find this helpful.